is primary key? What is a primary key? So here we have a small difference between a candidate key and a primary key. What is candidate key? A candidate key is a set of attributes, but here primary key is a single key, right? A primary key is a single key. Only one attribute, a single attribute you need to select. You need to select a single attribute that uniquely identifies the row in each table. Okay. So, in the previous example, what is candidate key? So, a candidate key is student ID, email and Aadhaar, right? All these three are unique. Now, my question is, are all these attributes are not null? Are all these attributes are not null? You need to answer this. So, primary key is nothing but where you can say that this key should be unique as well as it should not be null. It should not be null. The attribute, a single attribute that has both these constraints, it should be unique as well as it should not be null. Let me say here. So, you have said that email is a candidate key. Now, what if the student doesn't have an email? So, at the time of joining in the institution, he may not have the email. What happens? So, later on he will create the email and he will produce in the database, right? But for even only for that reason, email could not be considered as a key. Can we not consider email as a candidate key? Email is unique, but we may have null values there. In the candidate key, what do we think? We will allow null values. We will allow null values and later on these values can be updated. Same with the instance of Aadhaar also. So, Aadhaar number we still have the persons those who doesn't have the Aadhaar number, okay, or else at the time of creating a database we may not able to give the Aadhaar number. So, then also, so here Aadhaar number is also can be null, but a primary key should be unique as well as not null. A primary key should be unique and not null. So, out of all these attributes, which attribute can be considered as a primary key? So, student ID is that attribute which can be considered as a primary key, because when the student is arriving, so he will have the roll number. He will have the registration number or some ID the student will be possessing, and this is unique, no other, the same ID cannot be given for the other students, the same ID cannot be given for the other students, and at the same time it cannot be null value, because every student will have a registration number or will have a unique identification number, right. So, this cannot be a null. So, primary key is that attribute which uniquely identifies the tuple in a relation and it should not be null. Okay. So, from the candidate key you can choose one single attribute that is not null, and simply you can say that a primary key is a subset of candidate key. A primary key is a subset of candidate key, right. So, what is a primary key? A primary key is a single attribute that uniquely identifies the whole tuple. Now, see here 11, 12, 13, right. So, 11. So, what is the person's name here? So, Teja Vyas is the name of the person who is having this Gmail and who is possessing this Aadhaar number. So, even though Aadhaar number and Gmail if the person is not having. So first he will be included in the database, and later on these null values can be avoided, right.